Welcome to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. Guys, this is not official financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. Welcome to Bilingual Investing. Welcome to our channel, guys. Great cryptocurrency content here. If you haven't subscribed, done so already, click away right here. Click subscribe, click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh, off the press, informative and educational videos. And also like this video. It helps the algorithm for other people to also find and enjoy our content, guys. Fear and greed index currently at 30 at fear. Yesterday was 26, so we do see that big jump here on the smaller time frames. We do see that we're close to this local pivot high of 31, and price action has exploded massive volatile move towards the upside of more than $1,000 in today's candle. We're going to review that on the charts, but before we do, then more likely by 4 hours and 49 minutes, we're going to pierce through that 31 on the fear and greed index, probably coming up here towards the 40. That's that pivotal resistance, guys, on the fear and greed index. So market sentiment is coming back into the market. A lot of volatility will most likely be displayed here as well. So again, we're getting farther away from the key support of 20, so we're most likely on our way towards that 40. Who knows, it might pierce that as well. If it does, then that might be signs that the markets are shifting that momentum more towards the upside. So we'll continue to analyze that from here on out in our next episode as well. So guys, wow guys, massive volatile move for Bitcoin. So much bullishness in the past couple of days, but for the past couple of weeks we've been green on most candles. Just at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bullish candles and only 2 red bearish ones, and they were tiny, guys. It's incredible the move for the past 2 weeks that Bitcoin has decided to have, starting the 2023 year strong. Look at that RSI, guys. Wow, we're heading though into overbought territory. We haven't been this high since back here around February, March of 2021, guys. Wow, what a move on the RSI, indicating that momentum is coming back into the markets, just straight up, as you can see. But it's dangerous. Once you pass that 70 level, you head on up until 80, 90. Things are getting overbought, overstretched. Again, in the short term, this is the daily chart. We do see here as well the stochastic is reaching that pinnacle at 100. And then we go to the money flow index indicator as well. We do see we breached that 80 level, and again, we haven't been this high since back in October 2021, guys. Yo, wow, that's crazy. Wow. So, good signs coming into the market. When you analyze those little things, those are good signs. A lot of bullishness, strong move towards the upside, but seems we're overbought right now. Again, you never know. It could just keep smashing up, pumping up. But usually when we get overbought, it reaches a key resistance level, and then, it retraces a little bit before moving on up and continuing the trend per that case. So right now, 19,000 seems to be that pivotal resistance for Bitcoin, as we can see here with the small wick, but just strong candle. The wick is not even that big, and we're piercing through this resistance on our way to the next one. So that 18,500 is key resistance, but look at that. I mean, the candle hasn't closed yet, guys, as well. So we have to wait and see the next couple of candles to see what Bitcoin's going to decide to do. We could expect a little bit of a pullback because the indicators are a little bit overbought. But with Bitcoin, you never know. You just analyze the charts, you analyze the momentum, the indicators, and then based on probabilities, we would expect a little retracement. But, we'll see what happens. But wow, exciting times for Bitcoin at 18.8 right now. Strong green candle, positive bullish candle for today. It can't get any better than this. We also made a new pivot high here with regards to this point here. So strong move. We'll see how Bitcoin reacts in the next couple of days. The weekly chart also further validates the points we made in the daily chart. Look at this massive weekly candle, strong candle, getting above the moving average here. Let me just check it out real quick here. Yeah, that's the 20. That's the 20-week moving average, just to confirm with you guys. So right now it's above again. The week is a little bit over halfway. Sunday the candle closes. We're going to have to wait and see what's going to happen with regards to that. But again, guys, it seems we're breaking the descending channel as well. and even above that resistance of 18.5 on the weekly. So it's breaking a lot of things towards the upside, a lot of strength back into the market. But again, candle hasn't closed. We have to wait and see. So Sunday is going to be a strong indicator, and then next week we would have a confirmation candle to see where we stand with Bitcoin's price. But things are looking good. Things are looking good, guys. And then also, to further validate Bitcoin's rise, we do see that the DXY is dumping. The Dixie, the dollar index, the dollar losing, that strength. It's dumping now. It broke the 103.41 level, which was key support, as we can see here and back here as well. We broke here, tried to confirm it again as support, but it was confirmed as resistance, unfortunately, for the dollar. And now we have this big red bearish negative candle today, and it seems that it will further continue down. If someone asks me my humble opinion, that 99.5, that 100 point, on the index, that's key. That's key support. We have a little bit of support down here at the 101.34, 34 as well, but it's not that strong. So we'll see. We'll continue to monitor the DXY, the Dixie, but things are not looking good for the dollar to start the year of 2023. Guys, if you're enjoying this type of informative content, guys, don't forget, we have actually something free for you guys, a free educational playlist with educational videos. You can take your pencil or pen or piece of paper, sit down, just enjoy and take in the presentation. Free educational presentations on so many different themes, for free. Link is in the description below. You can click it at any time. And then we also have Twitter. Follow us on over there. Swing by, follow us. Great cryptocurrency content on over there, guys. Let's go with the top 5 and their performance for the past 7 days. Immediately, we start off with Bitcoin, BTC the king, currently at $18, $18,000, man. Imagine that, $18. That would be nice. $18,833, guys, up 11.80%. And for the week, Ethereum at number 2, $1,421, up 13.59%. Number 3, BNB at $286. It'll probably attempt to reach 300. We're gonna have to wait and see at 11.29%. Number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at 37 cents, up 10.40%. I apologize for that. And then we have number 5, Cardano at 33 cents, up 23%. Man, must be nice in the past week, guys. Then we move on to the top 5 best performers for the past week. We start with Gala at 4 pennies, up 123%. In our past episode, it was up 170%. That's crazy, guys. Number 2, Lido DAO at $2 a pop, up 50%. Number 3, Aptos, APT, up 56, almost 57% at $5.84. Wow. Then we have Zilliqa at number 4 at 2 pennies, up 40%. And then Immutable X at number 5 at around 55 cents, up 32.12%. Look at all these coins, guys, up 30, 25%. Wow. Market is green, is bullish, man. Good times. We love crypto, right? But when it goes down, things get hard. And then we have the top 5 worst performing assets for the past 7 days. We start with Bitcoin SV, another scam, at $42, down 2.90%. Then you have Yunus Said Leo at $3.45, down 2.32%. And then the rest are stable coins as usual. Why? Because when the market pumps, the only things that go down or remain stable, obviously, are stable coins. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. It helps the algorithm, other people, to find this beautiful, educational, informative content as well. I would appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, just a click away. Click the notification bell. Stay tuned for our fresh off the press, brand new, informative and educational videos. Also, our website, link in the description below. If you ever need investment tools and resources, this is the place to go. Guys, thank you so much for your support, for your time, and for your attention. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Hope you guys have a good one.